So I've already gone ahead and opened up Powershot. I think this is the accordion version of the album. Yes, it is. And I do know who I got. I just couldn't help myself. So I got Honey and Ian, and then I got Hyunjin's Lips. So if you're watching this now, this is like a second part to my haul video for 8. I got a couple things from Target and a lot from Music Plaza. And so what you're seeing me open now is the second part of the haul that I did. To get the album and obviously the PCs that I collect. So this is Mino. Why does that look like Sungmin? Oh no, it's Sungmin. Why does that look like Sungmin? Because it is. Yeah, it's mini. So it looks like, oh my god, I got my first bin. And I got a second Honey. Whose lips did I get? I got Bangchang's. Bam. Oh, those look cool. I'll look at them later, but I'm sure at this point you guys have already seen all there is to see, so I'm just gonna go quickly to see what I got. This is Ian's version. So if you ordered through Music Plaza, I don't think there was any POBs, with the exception of the either limited version or the Chicken Boom. I can't remember, but I know there definitely wasn't any when I first ordered, like at midnight, but there is now. I did order one just to see what I would get, but it's one POB. It's not like an OTA set or anything like that, so I kind of am mad about that, but you know, what ifs? What are you gonna do? Trying to pull out. So that's the album. I got, gosh, they're really in there. What the heck? Oh, it's the lyric book. I got Johnny. And I got Changbin and Lino. Alright. So far a decent haul. Not terrible. This is Han's accordion version. So I did actually just get back from Lollapalooza as I am filming this, and let me tell you, it was insane. I won't go too much into detail, but it was amazing, an amazing night. I'm gonna make a separate video of like the whole experience and all that, so stick around for that. I got Honey and Felix. Aww. And then whose lips did I get? Bangchan again. Okay, 2 Chinese. Yeah, but it was amazing. Chicago is such a beautiful city. I'd never been. It was my first time there. So that was a trip literally in itself. Then I got Felix. I went with a group of friends. Not all together, but we like all hung out for most of the days. Or I think all the days, if I'm being honest. And that was fun. I got to catch up with like online friends IRL. I met a couple new friends. It was cool. It was good fun. The guys, of course, were phenomenal. But yeah, stick around for that video. I'm gonna film it in a little bit, so you guys know how that went. Let me see who else I got. I got Felix again and Ian. And then who did I get for lips? I got Ian's. Cool. Alright. Then let's see, this is Benny's version. Let's see who I get. So handsome. But yeah. Ooh. I got Benny. I got Sungmin. I got Ian's lips again, and I got a Benny green screen. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put that album back because I don't want it to get mixed up. So there's that. Let me put that in Felix's album. Okay, on to the next one is Hyunjin. Hyunjin was wild at Lola, let me tell you. He was a crazy bean. He was having a good time, which was awesome. I think the guys all were, but... And did we not expect Felix's ab revelation to happen? Because we certainly didn't. It was a collective, oh my god, across the stage. And across, like, the fans. We were like, what the heck are we watching? But yeah, that was a surprise. And Felix didn't even look phased, so not until afterwards. So I got Lino. And I got Hyunjin. And for the lips, Hyunjin, where are you? Let's see who I got. I got Ian again. Okay, cool. Alright, Ian. You're just, you know, hanging around with me. I don't mind. I don't mind one bit. Oh. These are a little tricky to get in here sometimes. But anyways. Alright, it's in there now. Alright, and so this is my last of the... Okay guys, sorry. I had to stop filming because my camera died. So I had to let it charge for a little bit. In the meantime, I went ahead and opened up the remaining bits that I have of this haul. So we're gonna do the Nemo version. I can't remember what version this is. There's an A and a B, which I kind of find weird. I thought this was to defeat the purpose of this, but anyways, here I am investing in that. Obviously there's not a whole lot to really see here because I'm sure you guys have already seen most of these anyways. So I got this, and then there's, oh, okay, an extra Felix PC. Interesting. I'm confused about that actually now. Yeah. So then I have Lino's version of the accordion. And I just took off the packaging so that this could be a little quicker. Let's see who I got. I got Honey. Okay. And I got Lino. And I got Jen. Aw, okay, cool. I almost got a full set. Almost. So not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Let's see for the letter version of the album. Oh. Oh. I got Felix. Okay, so this is, I guess, a dupe to this one. Oh no, it's just same pose, different outfit. That's funny. Okay. Cool. Alright. I think that's the album. And then these are like the member cards. That's cool. These are gonna be cool in my merch collection binder that I have. So there's that. And then my last but not least, let's see, so this is the album. More of these, which are super cute. And then Hyunho and Sungmin. Hey! Okay, cool, cool, cool. Again, you've already seen what's in here, so I'm not gonna bother, but stickers. Oh, what did I get? Tiny and Binny and Ian. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, when the next stuff get here, I will tack it onto this one. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye! Alright guys, this is part 3 of my final unboxing for 8. I believe this is the limited version, and this is, honestly, I think obviously either version A or B, because I already opened the other one in the previous clip. These were like last minute impulse purchases that I did. I was like, I need to buy one more set just so I have everything complete. So that's what I'm gonna open now. And like I said, this is the last bit for the unboxing of 8. So I already gone ahead and took off all the plastic just to quicken this up, because I'm sure at this point everybody has seen what the albums look like inside and whatnot. No biggie there. So we've got that, the album, which is very pretty, and our newspaper. I think this is what they call it. So there's that. And we have our poster, our sticker packs, which I have a lot of these now, and the one and only PC that comes in this dang version of the album, which I'm very disappointed. JYP, I'm very disappointed. Oh, and it's a dupe. I already have this one, so this is gonna go on sale in my Mercari, so be sure to check the links down below. I don't usually do trading, but I definitely do selling, so if you want this, it has your name on it, go check out Mercari. We have Felix's like bookmark, this beautiful piece of art, which I actually might frame. It looks like it's got some staining there, but it's very pretty. I like it. And then we have Hyunjina, or also known as Changbin's husband. And then the photo book, which I think is, look at Minnie, looks so cute there. Okay, this is, no, I'm not feeling Felix's hair. Yeah, no. This, yes. 1,000 times over. And he still had the piercing. There's the man himself. Mimo. Anyways, you guys have seen this, so nothing new there. Set that aside. And the final piece of merchandise. Which, again, I think it defeats the purpose of having a version A and version B. Like, what is the point, man? But, you know, capitalism and whatnot. Oh, man. So, these I don't know what they look like if I'm being... Ooh, hold on. Benny. Ian, Sungmin, Felix, Han. Ooh. Okay, cool. Oh, this is really cool. I actually like that. I'm gonna put that like on my middle insert for my PC binder. Which, by the way, next video is gonna be collecting my cards. I already have several coming in through Mercari. Oh, I guess this is like the POB, the POB. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. It's Benny. So yeah, my next video is going to be that. I have a couple videos already filmed. How I organize my binders. how I do divider tabs for them. Bunch of stuff is coming down the pipeline. So just stay tuned for that. And I will see you next time. Bye!